The objective of this design was to design an ADA-compliant path and stormwater management system for a portion of Engineers Way at UVA. 2 surveys were done on October 25th and November 7th to collect data for this project. These points were used to create a surface in Civil 3D that could be modeled and modified. After several designs, I decided to have 2 ramps, an upper ramp, A, that leads from the Mechanical Engineering Building and the Materials Science Building to the middle sidewalk, and a lower ramp, B, that leads from the middle sidewalk to Thornton. Many of my earlier designs attempted to replace one set of stairs with a ramp in order to create the most direct path and leave tree roots undisturbed. However, the slope in these areas was too steep to effectively join the existing sidewalk to a ramp that meets ADA standards. The upper, western, and lower eastern sidewalks were also adjusted in elevation to meet ADA standards. In addition to keeping the stairs, 2 ramps were added. This means increasing the percentage of concrete on the surface and therefore increasing the runoff coefficient. The stormwater management system was created to deal with this issue. In order to approach this issue, the initial runoff coefficient calculation was determined. The flow patterns were also determined using the water drop feature in Civil 3D. From this, the points of maximum concentration were determined. With these pieces of information, the optimal locations of stormwater infrastructure and the size of the infrastructure could be determined. For this reason, I put 1 Filtera unit with 2 trees on the southern side of ramp A, a bioretention cell on the northern side of the ramp, and a smaller bioretention cell at the lowest elevation by Thornton. A retaining wall was also added just above the lower sidewalk to help prevent erosion, and the elevations at varying points of the surface were also adjusted to direct even more water to these locations. I hope you enjoyed my design, and thank you for your time.